Today we're going to be testing full frame versus Super 35 on the A7R4. Many people report that on this particular camera Super 35 works best for video. So with this test we're going to find out. We're at XAVCS 4K 30p 100 megabits a second, no picture profile, using the 24mm G master. And at the moment we are full frame. What we're going to do now, switch it over to Super 35. So here we go, 3, 2, 1, Super 35. Obviously we are now cropped in. The beauty of the A7R4 is that you're still getting very high megapixel count even when cropped in. This is Super 35. Can you see any difference? Let me know in the comments below. As usual guys, it's been emotional.